Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a report in Expensify. Now the first thing I want you to do once you log in to your dashboard, come to the left hand panel, click here on reports, and you would be able to see all your reports right here. And I actually noticed that I had created a blank report by mistake. So click here on reports, you'll see all your reports. Now to delete this report, all you actually need to do is first click on it. Okay. Now come to the top right, click on this more option. Now you get this last option right here in this drop down. It says delete. Just click here on delete. There we go. We get this pop-up asking us if we're sure we want to do this. Click on delete. And there you go. As you can see, let me scroll down. It's not there anymore. So that is how you delete a report in Expensify.